So if your Snapchat says temporarily locked, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can unlock your Snapchat. So in the case if your Snapchat is locked, it means that Snapchat detected content or other behavior that goes against the community guidelines of Snapchat. And how to prevent from being locked: just avoid sending spam or other behavior that goes against the community guidelines. Anyway, so to unlock Snapchat, simply go to any of your browser, and once you're there, now you're gonna go to support.snapchat.com/article/locked, and it will get you to the help center of Snapchat. In the page you can see my account is locked, and here you will find two options: my account has been permanently locked and my account has been temporarily locked. So in the case of your account is permanently locked, you can see it's written here that it means we have detected some activity that violates our community guidelines or terms of services. So unfortunately you cannot unlock that. But if your account is temporarily locked, then you can try logging back through the app or on the web by going here. So you have to click on going here, and once you click on that, it will redirect you to another page where you have to sign in with your Snapchat. So simply put your username over there and click on verify, and after verification, and over here you have to type your password. And in the case if you don't remember that password, so you can go and click on forget password. And if any number is connected to your Snapchat account or an email address is connected to your Snapchat account, Snapchat will send a verification code to that specific number or email address. So you have to put the code over here, click next, and here you go. So you can see the account is now unlocked. So this is basically how you can fix the temporarily locked account on Snapchat. So all for today's video, guys. Make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.